Hey, welcome everybody to Vesuvian Forge. I'm John Mead, and we're here to kind of show off the Ken Wright project. We're doing 4 big fire tables for the tasting room in Carlton, and we've got them in process here at the shop in different stages. So we wanted to walk through kind of where everything is. So the idea here is big fire tables. These are some of the biggest fire tables, if not the biggest fire tables available on the market. 10 feet long, a little over 3 feet wide, and you're not going to find that online. So we're pretty excited about this. And the theme for these fire tables is to incorporate some of the historic railroad features that are at the tasting room in Carlton. So we've actually incorporated, if you can see underneath the table, railroad ties for the legs and the bases of these concrete fire tables. So bringing a little bit of that history and some of that charm of the railroad and tying into the overall story. So this table is nearing completion. You can see the darkness and richness of the color, and that really pops out when we apply our 4 coats of clear sealer to the concrete. And as we back up and look at the next table in line, this one hasn't yet been sealed. We've just done our acid treatment that kind of burns off that cream layer that happens when we pour. And then later this week we'll be putting the clear coat sealer on this one. And as you come around the shop, you'll see some of the other fire tables that are in process here in the shop. This one here has been poured. We call it a pour, but it's a more intricate process than just dumping concrete into the molds. But you can see the forms that we have around the edges. We pour the tables upside down, and there's multiple layers that go into Vesuvian Forge concrete. So over here we have the last of the 4 tables, and it's at the beginning of the process, and we've just applied some of the face coat, which is a little bit different than the rest of the mix. So we have multiple layers in our concrete products. The face coat is more delicate, and this is where the beauty happens. This is everything that's going to be seen in the final product. And so it has no glass fiber in it. It's not quite as strong and robust as the rest of the concrete, but it's where the beauty comes from. The next we'll apply backer coats that have glass fiber and give it its amazing strength. So our concrete is about 4 times stronger than traditional concrete, and we need that strength for these big, large, massive fire tables. But we're super excited to partner up with Ken Wright Cellars on this project, and couldn't be more thrilled with how things are shaping up.
Hey, John.